Hello, I am ZuluMama. Welcome to the journey through the vibrant and rich traditions of the Zulu people. From the powerful rhythms of Zulu dance to the artistry of traditional beadwork, the mouth-watering flavors of Zulu cuisine, and deep sense of community that makes Zulu culture so special. So join me as I take you through the five of the most incredible Zulu cultural experiences. The Zulu culture is one of the most vibrant and influential in Africa, rich in history, traditions, and a deep sense of identity. Known for their powerful warrior heritage under Shaka Zulu, the Zulu people have preserved their customs through language, beadwork, music, and dance. Their traditions from the energetic Indlamu dance to sacred Umemulo and Lobola ceremonies showcase the strength and unity of the Zulu nation. Whether through storytelling, fashion, or ancestral rituals, Zulu culture remains a proud symbol of heritage and resilience. The Zulu people have a rich and powerful history, dating back centuries as one of Africa's most influential nations. From the sacred Umemulo, which is coming of age ceremony, to the Lobola, which is bride price tradition, Zulu customs reflect deep respect for family, ancestors, and community. Traditional music and dances like Indlamu are not just for entertainment, but are a way of storytelling, celebrating victories, and honoring ancestors. The beats of drums, the rhythm of foot stamping, and the colorful beadwork all bring Zulu heritage to life. The Zulu dance is more than just movement. It is a sacred expression of culture, history, and unity. Whether performed at weddings, ancestral ceremonies, or royal gatherings, it serves as a way to honor tradition, tell stories, and bring communities together. Zulu dances like Indlamu showcases strength and discipline with high kicks, synchronized stamping, and warrior-like energy. The rhythmic drum beats and vibrant attire add to the electrifying performance, making it a mesmerizing experience. Do you want to dance like the Zulu people? Please check this short. It has step-by-step guide, and I have also attached the link on the description below. Zulu craftsmanship is a reflection of heritage, identity, and artistic mastery, with techniques passed down through generations. Zulu beadwork is more than just decoration. It's a language of color and pattern used to convey messages about love, status, and identity. Each color has a meaning. Please do check out the video that I've attached below to learn about the beads. I have also explained each color and its meaning. Zulu pottery is shaped from river clay, hand molded, and fired in open flames to create strong, functional, and decorative pots. These pots are used for brewing umqombothi, which is traditional beer, and they are also used for storing water in food and also ceremonial rituals. Zulu baskets are handcrafted using natural fibers like palm leaves and grass, woven tightly for durability and beauty. These baskets are often used for storing food and grains, carrying water, symbolic gifts at ceremonies. Zulu cuisine is a flavorful blend of tradition, simplicity, and nourishment, deeply rooted in history and culture. Zulu meals are known for their hearty, earthy, and wholesome flavors, often cooked over an open fire or in a clay pot. Some staple dishes include Uphuthu, Istambu, nyama yonhloko, ujeqe, and if you want Uphuthu and Istambu video, I have linked that in the description below. Common ingredients and cooking methods for the Zulu cuisine rely on natural, locally sourced ingredients such as maize, beans and legumes, leafy greens, and meat, which is typically beef, goat, and chicken, and it's often slow cooked for deep flavor. Traditional cooking methods include boiling, slow cooking in clay pots, and steaming to enhance the natural flavor of the food. Zulu culture is not just about traditions, it's about community, resilience, and the deep sense of belonging that binds the people together. The Zulus are known for their Ubuntu, a philosophy of humanity, kindness, and mutual care. Whether you visit a rural homestead or a modern Zulu household, you'll experience a warm welcome because guests are treated with generosity and respect. You experience shared meals. Food is a symbol of unity, often served in one large pot. And lastly, open hearted conversations. Storytelling and laughter brings people together and closer. Zulu life is deeply rooted in togetherness and tradition, where family gatherings strengthen bonds through song, dance, and food. The rites of passage, like Umemulo in weddings, connect individuals to their ancestors, and traditional healers guide and support the community spiritually. Zulu people embrace their heritage with pride, standing together in times of joy and hardships. Whether in music, dance, or daily life, our culture reflects our strength that was passed down from legendary warriors like King Shaka Zulu. Unity that we believe in, that umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. A person is a person through others. And Ubuntu is what unites us. What do you admire the most about the Zulu culture? Let me know in the comments. We've taken a deep dive into the 5 incredible Zulu cultural experiences, from the vibrant dance and music to craftsmanship, cuisine, and the unbreakable sense of community. Which part of the experience fascinated you the most? Was it the powerful Zulu dance, the artistry of beadwork, or the heartwarming spirit of Ubuntu? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you love cultural explorations. Comment your favorite part of Zulu culture. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing traditions around the world. Zulu culture lives on. Embrace it, celebrate it, and pass it on. Ngiyabonga. And stay tuned for the next adventure.